Hey guys, Chris.Donley here with Guarantee RV Centers in Junction City, Oregon. I'm going to be showing you this 2015 Winnebago Forza. This is the 34T. Let's go inside. I'm kind of a fan of this layout, to be honest with you. There is a table that goes here. I don't like it with the table. I like it because you can get about 25 people around this thing. And right across the way, you got the TV right there too, which you can pull out and articulate. But this is such a great space to hang out. A lot of times you're going to be eating outside if you're doing the picnic table thing in the summer, but there is a table stashed away that sets up right here that's real nice too. But the area in here is just really, really nice. You got the bunk above for extra sleeping there. This obviously makes into a huge bed for 4 or 5 people, depending on how well they know each other. And coming over here, good counter space in the kitchen. Now remember, we're in a 34-foot diesel, so we're in about the shortest diesel you can get. So I'm just going to kind of give you a basic overview. Corian in the kitchen, lots of drawers, good deep cabinets. Everything's included in there. Got a residential fridge, ice maker. Actually got a spot. These are vented, so got yourself a washer dryer behind that. Bathroom here is nice. Countertop, storage. Still plenty of room to get around in here. You can get dressed in here, no problem, lots of space. Bedroom area, queen bed. Looks like a sleep number bed. Looks like she had hers set at 0. So, and then each side here, drawers, plug-ins, stuff like that, storage up there. TV right here, never go without a movie. And of course you got 2 big wardrobes here. You get the idea. You can hang everything across there. Nice big deep drawers. What I love about these Forzas though is getting them out on the road. These things are so much fun. Whoa, I bonked my head there. Hi. These things are so much fun to drive. The windows sit a little bit lower. Actually, the whole coach sits a little bit lower than your typical diesel coach. You're not sitting way up high. So this thing on the road, when you're driving it, has a really nice feel to it. It's only 34 feet long, so taking it out, curves, stuff like that, feels like kind of a little motorhome race car in a way, I guess. Anyways, got to drive it to feel it. It's really neat. Let's check out a couple things outside. I love that couch. So outside here, due to the configuration, you got 2 awnings. You got your main awning here, and then of course kind of a door awning on this side as well. Even though this coach sits low, they've managed to still give you a ton of storage on this. So 2 big bays there. They still pass through underneath. And of course you got your typical storage on the outside. It's a good looking coach too. You got neutral colors. Looks slick. Anyways, come on down here, take it for a drive more than anything else. I think you'll be pleasantly surprised with how big it is inside, even though it's only a 34 foot. But come down, check us out at Guarantee. Ask for Chris.